Walk. You know how to walk. Huh? Come on. Come on. Good job. Yay. Sophia likes the cat.
That's the neighbor's stray cat that
is
hangs out over
so
here.
Cute.
Hi, Soph.
Good job walking. Ew, those love bugs landed on me.
Good girl, Sophia.
Today's
Hi.
August 30th. And Soph's just a walking pool. Sophia.
No, we don't kiss the cat.
No, we can't kiss that kitty cat.
It's outdoor cat.
Yep, say bye-bye, cat.
Gosh, Soph, you're all over the place. Good girl.
Look at her. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. Down you go. Can you get back up? Can you do it? You can do it. Good job. Oh, up you go again. You can do it.